Iingcali zithi ukuvalwa kwezikolo nokuvulwa kwazo ngezigaba khange kuncedise lilizwe ukuthintela ukunwenwa kwentsholongwane ye-corona.
Keeping schools closed or only partially open, it hasn't assisted the country when it comes to preventing infections. Children have not been responsible for infecting adults in large numbers any more than adults have been responsible for infecting other adults. So there's absolutely no excuse whatsoever for schools not to be fully opened. And if teachers are concerned that their health has been put at risk because children are not vaccinated and because the classrooms are overcrowded, then the thing to do is for teachers to be vaccinated. What we can't continue doing is continue inflicting harm on the livelihoods of people, continue imploding the economy, and continue depriving children of education.
Kodwa umbutho ojongene nezemfundo nezobulungisa uthi ukuvulwa ngokupheleleyo kwezikolo akufunekanga kwenziwe ngephanyazo.
Schooling should not reopen on a full scale for the first term of 2022, so that we give everybody a chance to prepare in terms of the availability of teachers. The current teachers who are there will not be able to handle the bigger number. Remember, if we go back to full time, it means classes will be bigger, and government is not ready at this point to teach big classes with fewer teachers that are remaining in the system. So we need to find a way to ensure that we bring in more personnel who can be able to handle bigger classes as well. They can open a full scale in April, in the second term of 2022.
Oogqirha bengqondo kweli candelo bathi eli lizwe kufuneka liqinisekise ukuba abafundi nootitshala baqala baziqhelanise nenkqubo yokufunda kungenziwa iinguqu ezikhawulezileyo, kodwa akuzukuba lula nanjengoko ootitshala nabafundi bephulukene nezihlobo ngenxa yale ntsholongwane.
A recent research study showed that about 95,000 students in South Africa have lost a parent or a caregiver. So you can understand that we are going to see a lot of children in the classroom that have to adjust to new routines, but that have also experienced trauma over the last 2 years.
Ukanti izikolo ezikumbindi weli zivulwa ngomso ngelixa kulindeleke ukuba ezikunxweme zivulwe kwiveki ezayo.